Today we're going to take a look at a new style by Belle Tress. This one is in the City collection. It's called Barcelona and Macadamia Latte R. This Barcelona can be found right here at Wig Studio 1. If you drop below the video, I'll attach a direct product link. If you click on that link, it'll take you directly to the site. You can see the colors, the pricing, and more detail. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. Belle Tress always seems to nail the layering on their long styles, and recently they've been coming out with a lot of new bangs. They're easy, they're comfortable, they're out of the way, yet still elegant and stylable. So Barcelona starts with that 4 to 5 inch fringe, and it just kind of sweeps off to the side of the eyebrow. Now I'm about 3 to 3.5 between my hairline and my brow, and I could go in and trim this if I wanted a straight across look. But the way I like it now is just to sweep it off to the side from that parting space. I think it's really flattering. Now this style overall is about 18 to 20 inches. And it's a really nice light density. There's very little to no permatease. It has a beautiful natural look, and the ability to style this in some elegant updos is just perfect. You can go from casual to glamorous in a heartbeat. While I show you an inside look at the cap, we're going to get up close on this lace front. I love the new City collection for the lace features. It's an extended lace front that goes back through the ear tab. It's a very nice fine grid process there. On this one, it has a left monofilament side part. You can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp all the way back to the hind crown, which is also a plus. They don't stop short. And that just gives that beautiful contour, beautiful natural looking contour all the way around. Now, if you wanted to build in some volume, you could do that using heat. This is a heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress. It's soft, silky, and buttery. Each one of the fibers is really fine as well. It only weighs about 5 ounces. And for a long style like this, this really tells you that it's light density, more of a natural looking density, and low permatease. So let's chat briefly about this Macadamia Latte R. It starts with a nice light golden brown, and then it's highlighted with 2 different colors. I see a gold blonde, which is a little warm, and then I also see a lot of ash blonde in there, which is on the cool side. So that's going to make this a nice neutral color. Now, I still look at this as being a brunette, a highlighted brunette, light brunette, but many of you may see this as a blonde, and I think it could work out either way. Now, there is a root on this one. It's really easy to forget there is a root just because it adds dimension without being too stark. It's very subtle with a beautiful transition. So let me show you this color in outdoor light, then we'll get back with some styling for Barcelona. This Barcelona is right out of the box. I didn't do anything to it. I applied it, I found my parting space over that monofilament, and then I just raked my hands through it just a bit to loosen up and set free the fibers. This is what it should look like for you right out of the box. And then let's try with glasses. If you're a full-time glasses wearer or just a cheater glasses wearer like me, these are going to fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab. It's a nice light density, no permatease. So let's style this one a little bit so you can see the movement, be inspired to style your wigs, and we'll see you next time right here at TAZS's Wig Closet.